So, to the question posed, does the President need to seek out the advice or approval of Congress before sending troops into imminent hostilities? The answer is, well, we don't know. Remember, divided democracy, the fracture that can occur as a result of the relationship between the President, Article 2 branch, and Article 1 is not the only form or kind of divided democracy. It can occur even within the same branch. Congress, one side, the lower house of representatives being predominantly Democrats, the other side, the U.S. Senate, the upper house being predominantly Republicans. That can also lead to a divided democracy. The focus we've had is one that has actually, over time, transcended party lines. That means war powers has traditionally been and often occurs as a conflict or a battle between the executive branch and Congress, or the Article 2 branch and the Article 1 branch, rather than a party line Democrat-Republican, although sometimes there's a relationship, oftentimes there is not. So the sub-point of our divided democracy theme had to do with constitutional ambiguities. And because the language in the Constitution is still meaning there has not been an amendment in the war powers area constitutionally, this area of the Constitution remains vague, and in its vagueness, there is still then the question left unanswered as to what is the reach of the President and what is the central role of Congress in this area.
Of all the agonizing decisions that a nation must make, perhaps the most fateful of all is the decision to go to war. The fundamental purpose of our statute is to ensure that the President consults with the Congress before taking the nation to war.
Well, the failure is that the statute as written cannot be implemented, hasn't been implemented, is ineffective, and ends up triggering a continuing debate between the executive branch and the legislative branch.